Hey, what's up, Speakerphiles? Wellington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the brand new Tribit Stormbox Micro 2 going up against the original Micro. So after spending a few months with the new Micro 2, I feel like you should not be going out to buy this new speaker if you own the original speaker and it still works perfect. There is no need for that. Yes, there are a few changes here and there, very minor, but the general feeling is if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I don't blame them for that because of how successful the original Micro was. Anyways, let's get the sound samples out of the way and we can talk more later. As usual, I will be using a high quality binaural microphone. So for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball.
There you have it. What did you think? Like I said, the sound difference between the two speakers does not warrant upgrading to the new Micro 2. Yes, they have moved over from a 9-watt driver to a 10-watt driver, and if you listen for it, you can kind of hear that the Micro 2 is slightly more powerful and maybe slightly louder, but you have to listen to them side by side like we just did in order to tell that minute difference between the sound. The highs and upper mids of the Micro 2 are slightly brighter, but not necessarily better than those of the original Micro. Bass is also basically unchanged in comparison to that of the original guy. So unless you are that kind of person who likes to upgrade to the newest model every time it comes out, like some of you are, I know you, yes, you can obviously upgrade and have the latest of the speaker, but sound is no reason for me to recommend anybody to upgrade. And even for people that don't own the original speaker, I feel like as long as they still have the original speaker on sale, which they still do, and it's $10 cheaper, or if at all is cheaper than the new guy, I feel like this is a better bang for your buck, you know. I mean, I usually would recommend new buyers to go with the newest just because you are getting the latest tech. You know, so that way when they come out with a newer one next year, you won't feel obligated to upgrade because you are, you know, only 1 year old, as opposed to if you buy the older one, then you'll be like 2 years old when they come out with the next one, just for that reason. But as far as what's better for your price, you know, even if you're buying new, it would be the older guy if you don't own the old guy right here. So that's what I would recommend. Anyways, I guess the differences to point out here are, well, I already said we moved over from a 9-watt to a 10-watt speaker, and now we have Bluetooth 5.3 instead of 5.0. The buttons color has changed a little bit to white, and the buttons back here, the control buttons, are also a little bit different. As you can tell, the design just changed a little bit, just enough to give it a different look, but not really. And then the back here, you know, a different design, crisscross, as opposed to the little holes, dots in the back there. The strap is exactly the same. I feel like nothing has changed there, but yes, like they haven't done much as far as design, just tiny bit changes, which I don't blame them for that. They are capitalizing on that design that, you know, was so popular with the first speaker right here, and I don't blame them for that. It works, sounds good. You know, keep it going, because why not? Anyways, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think, and yes, I guess I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to be comparing these to the Bose SoundLink Micro and the JBL Clip 4 right here. The videos are coming right up after this one. So be subscribed to watch those if you're interested. Otherwise, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. See you again. How do I end this? Bye!